You want to play? Okay, let's get you up so everyone can see. Okay, ready? Let's do this one.
Horn!
Okay, try this one. Drum. Ready? Put your fingers. Okay, push on it. Push.
Drum!
Here. Can you push it down? Oh, don't look at the camera. Look at your red button. No. Show Aunt Shushu that you learned how to do it. Don't look over here. Careful, watch your head. Hi. Oh. Good girl. Alright, I know that was an accident. Let's try it again. Okay, ready? We're going to put the blocks in. Alright. What do you have to do now? How do you get them out? Get your blocks out. How do you do it? Push the button. Careful, don't whack your head. Push, push, push. You gotta push it hard. You can do it. Don't hurt your head, honey. Look at your swirly hair. This is so great. Have a block? Thank you. She gave me the block. Can I give it back to you? Here you go.